भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्. So don't consider that Krishna, because he has come, appeared in Vrindavan like a cowherd boy, never think, of course the Vrindavan-Vasi, they do not know what is Krishna. They are villagers. They do not know. But they do not love anyone more than Krishna. That is their qualification. They do not know even Vishnu. When the gopis saw Vishnu Murti, Krishna has seen the Vishnu Murti, they are passing, and they said, oh, here is Vishnu, all right, namaskar. They are not interested even in Vishnu. They are interested in Krishna, although they do not know that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Similarly, if without knowing what is Krishna, if you simply become attached to Krishna, then your life is successful. Simple, somehow or other, you become attached. Maya sakta mana prartha, yogam janjanam mada. Necessary dakshino. Simply you have to, this is Krishna consciousness movement. Somehow or other, you increase your attachment for Krishna. Somewhere or other. Jena dena prakarena, mana Krishna nivesaya. This is Rupa Goswami's instruction. Somehow or other, you become attached to Krishna. Then your life is successful. So this Krishna consciousness movement is trying to induce people how to become attached to Krishna. That is Bhakti Yoga. Jena tena prakarena, mana Krishna nivesaya. Then Vidhi Nisedha, there are so many rules and regulations for Bhakti Yoga. Yes, there are. And Rupa Goswami says, Sarve Vidhi Nisedha su retayo reva kinkara. Somewhere or other, if you become attached to Krishna, then all the vidhis and regulatory principles and rules and regulations, they will act as your servant. They'll automatically, because as soon as you become attached to Krishna, Krishna says, Kipram bhavati dharma atma. Kipram bhavati dharma. Satsat shanti nigacchati. Kaunteya pratijani. Rami bhakta panas. Kipram. Very soon. Apide sudurachara. Bhajate mamanannabha. Sadhuri gosam. Don't think that these Europeans or Americans, they are mlechas and jamas. That is aparad, offense. Because they are sadhu. They do not know. They have accepted Krishna without any hodgepodge understanding. That this is also good, this is also good, this is also good. They are strictly following the instruction of the spiritual master. Krishna tu Bhagavan. Even a small child in our association, Shamsundar's daughter, she would go to somebody, she was only 5 years old, she would ask, do you know Krishna? So somebody said, no, I do not. Oh, Supreme Personality. She preached like that. So they are convinced, Krishna tu Bhagavan Sam. This conviction is the foremost quality. Then other things will follow. Sarve vidhi niseda suretayo riva kinkara. See, if one is simply convinced on this point that Krishna tu Bhagavan Sam, and it does like that, follows the principle that Krishnaika saran, eto saab chhadi, varnashram dharma, Krishnaika Sarana. That is one. Mamekam Sarana. So do that. Stick to this principle that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna is Paratattva, the absolute truth. And Krishna is all pervading. Maya tatam idam sadmam. Krishna is everywhere. Jagat abhakta murtina disabhakta. The Krishna's potency is everywhere.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare